I broke my probes several times. Once the cable came out of both probes, and I had to dig to the end of these metal parts to resolder the cable there, and yeah, now one of them just broke. And yeah, I ordered yesterday some new ones for, you guessed it, yeah, $1. Here's the package, and I'm going to check it out if they are good at all for anything. $1 shouldn't be the price point that they work. Even if we're just talking about cables, I'm skeptical. So let's see. What did they send me? Oh, it's in cardboard. But why? This is stupid. Why did they package it like this? Nothing else in the package. So yeah, they packaged it like this. But why? They are not really fragile. Whatever, let's open it up. Somebody didn't know what he was shipping. Here's the paper. Yeah, let's get these things out of the way. And here are the probes. Kind of nice. Just in a bag. They could have shipped them just like this. I mean, well, yeah, I guess they could break. Whatever. Let's open it up and let's see if they fit into my specific multimeter. Let's take them out. And yeah, okay. Like that. And let's measure battery to make sure I have the polarities right. I mean battery at 2 volts. Let's put the minus to the minus and plus to the plus. And it's 1.3. Yay, it works. And let's check continuity. Incontinence or something. Yeah, it's okay, but the battery is low, especially when it's making a sound. That's funny. Only when I touch the probes it says battery low. Haha. Okay, that's funny. So yeah, $1, 2 probes. I can't complain.